Galaxy Note 9, S24 Ultra in the box. Obviously, I've already opened the S24 Ultra like almost a year ago when I first bought it, but I put it back in the box. Let's open the Galaxy Note 9. So let's do it here. I don't want to damage the box at all. So just a small cut here. And open it. Oh jeez, I remember those days. Look at this box. Look at the thickness of this box. Really hoping it's coming with everything like it used to. So it's brand new. I don't even remember how to open it. I remember, see that? Oh, see the one that you have to push it. Can't remember. Let's see. I think it was the one that you know. Oh, bury me, trying to remember. Was it the one that you have to push? Ah, yeah. So here it is. So and this is the moment again. Back in the days with the nice unboxing. Oh, what am I doing? Ah, yeah. This now I remember. Yeah. Yeah. Here we are. Now we pull it like this. Yes. So let's see what we got in the box of the Galaxy Note 9 2024 unboxing. Okay, we got this. Remember this? So the paper, the SIM card. So put this aside. Look at the baby here. Okay, let's do it like this so we can speed up. Here is my man, the Galaxy Note 9. I missed you. Let's see what else we used to have in the box. Look at this. The charger. I think it was back in the day was 15 watts, not 25 watts. But anyway, it's in the box. What else do we have? Obviously the charging cable. We're still getting this. I don't know for how long, but still we're still getting at least the charging cable. And yes, headphone jack with the headphones with the 3.5mm plug for the headphone jack. What else do we get? Nothing on this side. I remember we used to get that. Oh, the adapter. Excellent. I like that. I forgot about that actually. What else? Ah, yeah, we used to get a secondary adapter, 2 of them. Yeah, I remember 2 of them, these 2. So USB to USB Type-C and USB A to USB Type-C. Nice. Wait a minute. I remember we used to get also the tips, if I remember correctly. I don't see the expand tips here. Weird. We used to get the tips too. No, nothing. No tips. That's weird. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we didn't get the tips with the Galaxy Note 9, but I'm almost sure we did get the tip. Once again, charger. As far as I can remember, 15 watts. Headphones with the 3.5mm plug for the headphone jack. 2 adapters. And obviously the charging cable. Excellent, lovely. So I'm gonna put everything. I'm gonna put it in the back just like that, and then I will organize it later. Check this out. Galaxy Note 9 back in the building. Open it. Oh, lovely. I really missed my Galaxy Note 9 since I lost that. I don't even remember. No, still don't know how I lost it. But together with my also beloved Poco X3 Pro. So I will buy the Poco X3 Pro too. But I saw this one at a really good price first. so I decided to go for this one first. So here we are, back in the building, the Galaxy Note 9. Ooh. Let's check the unboxing with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As of now, it's still the latest and greatest from Samsung, even though we know that this kind of unboxing goes back to maybe 3 years ago from the S22 Ultra, if I remember correctly. So here, what do we get here? So I never took this off when I unboxed it for the first time. Well, you know, it's just the paperwork with the SIM card, with the SIM ejector tool, and then we get the phone. See, kind of peel it, and that's it. Well, as I said before, I've been using it for a year. I just put it back in the box just for this comparison. So yeah, so that's all we get these days in the box with the new phones. Nothing, absolutely nothing to do with this amazing unboxing experience from back in the days. What do you think?